career in banking before I decided to follow my passion, go back to school for environmental science. Actually today just accepted a new role as the Environmental and Sustainability Manager. I'm keeping us in compliance with all environmental health and regulations. I'm also lessening the impact that Trane has on the environment. We are standing at our ice bank facility. We want to cool the plant as efficiently as possible, so we're going to make ice at night when our energy use and our energy charges are a lot less, and then we're going to supplement that during the daytime when it gets really hot like it is right now with the ice that we made at night. We are working very hard to create a more sustainable environment. Refrigerants are a huge component of greenhouse gases, so it's very nice, it's very comforting to know that we are on the leading edge of being able to reduce those. I've always been passionate about the environment. I would like to help protect and clean it up. So this is a great way for me to provide nice, cool, air-conditioned air to people, but yet do it responsibly, do it in a sustainable way. And what better place to do it than Trane Technologies, who always challenge what's possible.